Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to export chats on Qwenlm AI. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, search for Qwenlm AI. From the search results, find the link with chat.qwenlm.ai and navigate to this website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. In the left hand side, you can see all chat section. If you click on it, you can see all the chats listed that you have had before. If you want to export the chats, all you need to do is go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Now select settings from here. Once the settings menu appear, in the left hand side you can see different tab options. Head over to this chats tab, and in this tab you can see this export chats option. If you click on it, the file will be converted to the JSON file, and now it is ready for export. You can save this file in your device. You can edit the name of the file and click on save, and the file is now downloaded to my device. So that's it. That's how you can easily export chats on Qwenlm AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.